There must be rigour in expertise. There must be commitment to advancing, doing research and promulgating knowledge through teaching. There must be collegiality, because that's really the oil, if you will, that makes it possible for all these often pretty high, big ego people to work together. And there must be freedom of speech, so that you can say whatever you feel must be said without fear of repercussions. There must be robust intellectual discourse, because this is how ideas are tested and advanced and developed through argument and discussion and debate. There must be freedom of academic research, because who better to decide what burning question must be explored in any given area of endeavour? Or there must be truth in all academic works. Now, you may be mistaken, you may be confused, you might just be wrong for a dozen different reasons, you might have a bias, but at all times one would have to say that there is no part of academic work in which the truth is not a critical thing.